Got your income tax return filed. Now, let's get it verified in just a few clicks on the new portal. First, head over to the official income tax filing portal. You'll need your login credentials, your PIN and password. Click on the login button. Once you're logged in, look for the prominent eVerify return option, usually found on your dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Here, you'll see a list of your filed income tax returns. Locate the return that requires verification, typically marked with a pending status. Select the relevant assessment year. Now choose your preferred method of verification. The most common and straightforward is using your Aadhaar-linked mobile. For an OTP, select Verify with Aadhaar OTP. A one-time password will be sent to your Aadhaar-linked mobile number. Enter this OTP in the designated field on the screen. Before submitting, carefully read and agree to the terms and conditions for verification. Tick the checkbox. Hit the Submit button. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message stating that your return has been successfully verified. This typically comes with a transaction ID for your reference. In case you face issues, ensure your Aadhaar is linked and updated with your registered mobile number. If the OTP doesn't arrive, try requesting it again. After a short while, double-check that you're entering the correct OTP. If problems persist, don't worry, the portal usually offers a help or contact us section where you can find more assistance or contact the support team. And that's it. Your income tax return is now verified, ensuring smooth processing. Happy filing.